Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about house hacking explained for beginners. House hacking is one of the easiest ways for beginners to start in real estate without needing to become a big investor on day one. In simple words, house hacking means buying a property, living in one part of it, and renting out the other part or parts. Because of that, the rent from tenants can help reduce your own housing cost. For example, you might buy a duplex, live in one unit, and rent out the other unit. In the same way, some people buy a triplex or fourplex, live in one unit, and rent the others. Others use a single-family home and rent out extra bedrooms to roommates. Also, some homeowners rent out a basement apartment or an ADU, which is an accessory dwelling unit. So, the setup can be different, but the basic idea stays the same. You live there, and the rental income helps cover costs. Now, the reason many beginners like house hacking is very simple. First, it can lower your living cost. Instead of paying the full mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance by yourself, part of that burden can be shared through rental income. Second, it helps you build equity over time because each mortgage payment reduces the loan balance. Third, it lets you learn landlording on a small scale. And finally, if the property value rises over time, you may also benefit from appreciation. To understand the money side, think of it like this. You collect monthly rent, and then that rent helps offset your housing costs. For example, if your total monthly housing cost is $2,200 and you collect $1,400 in rent, then your net housing cost becomes only $800. That means you keep more of your own money in your pocket while still owning the property. However, house hacking is not automatic or risk-free. Before starting, you need a few important things. You need stable income, because lenders still want to see that you can afford the property. You also need a down payment and closing costs. In addition, it is smart to keep an emergency fund, usually enough to cover around 3 to 6 months of expenses. You also need an acceptable credit score, and just as importantly, you need a basic landlord mindset and a willingness to learn. At the same time, you should understand the costs and risks. Repairs and maintenance are part of property ownership. Vacancies can happen, and when a room or unit is empty, no rent is coming in from that space. Tenant issues can also happen, and privacy can become a trade-off because you may be living close to the people renting from you. On top of that, unexpected expenses may appear at any time. So, rental income helps, but it is not free money. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you buy a duplex for $350,000. Your monthly mortgage, taxes, and insurance total $2,500. Then, if rent from the other unit is $1,500, your estimated net housing cost becomes about $1,000. Without house hacking, you might have had to pay the full $2,500 yourself. Because of this, many beginners see house hacking as a practical first step into real estate. So, if you want to start, the process can be simple and step by step. First, choose a property type that fits your budget and comfort level. Then, run the numbers carefully. After that, get financing and understand your total costs. Next, move in and rent the extra space. Finally, manage the cash flow, plan ahead, and keep reserves for repairs and surprises. Most importantly, start with numbers, not emotion. A property may look exciting, but if the rent does not support the costs, it may not be a good deal. Also, keep cash reserves and plan for repairs, vacancies, and everyday landlord responsibilities. House hacking works best when it is approached with patience, realistic expectations, and good financial discipline. In the end, the smart takeaway is that house hacking can lower your housing cost, help you build equity, and give you real-world experience as a beginner investor. For many people, it is not about getting rich overnight. Instead, it is about making homeownership more affordable while taking a practical first step into real estate. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial, legal, tax, or investment advice. Real estate costs, rent, financing, taxes, laws, and risks vary by property and location. Always do your own research and speak with a qualified professional before making a decision. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.